You kept your keys wrong all your life and you didn't know it. Few people know this secret, and once you know it, you will start doing it today and tell your entire family. When you go out, it is very normal to take the house and car keys with you. Many people put it in their purse or a pocket of their clothes to keep it safe. But this method is not entirely correct, since if for some reason you are robbed or the key falls out of your pocket, you will be locked out of the house and you will have to call a locksmith. Another method widely used by people is to leave the keys under the rug. They do this when there are many people in the house who arrive at different times. This way is also not the correct one, since the trick of the keys under the rug is very well known, and someone could take the keys and get into your house. But don't worry, because today I will show you an incredible solution so that you can always keep your keys safe without losing them or someone taking them. For this trick, first we will take a plastic container with its lid. These are normally found at stationery stores. Next, we go to the garden and take 6 to 7 pebbles of the color you prefer. Now, with the help of glue or glue, we are going to glue the stones to the outer edge of the lid. I would like to know which country you are viewing me from, so I can send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Antonio Tejada from the Dominican Republic. Once this is done, we go to our garden and unscrew the container. Next, we take the keys, place it inside the pot, and then seal it. Next, we look for some part of the garden that is convenient for us to bury what we have just done. It is preferable that the color of the rocks be similar, so it would be better camouflaged. Remember that this is only a trick for times of emergency. My recommendation to you is that you make a copy of your keys and keep them here. This way, if you ever lose your main keys, you will be covered and you won't have to call the locksmith. If you made it this far, leave me the phrase, so I will keep my keys. That way I'll know you watched all the content.